Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pesto. It is honestly so good. I am obsessed with it. I'm also going to show you how I use my pesto and a freezer hack for pesto. How many times can I say pesto?
First you want to get a little bowl and add in 1.5 cups of basil, a 1/4 cup of cheese. I use vegan cheese, but you can use normal cheddar or you can use parmesan, 1/2 cup of cashews, 1 garlic clove and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And now just give it a good blitz together, either with your handheld blender or in a food processor. Once you're happy with the consistency, give it a good season. If you think it is too thick, simply add in some more oil. Right, so the big question, what do I use my pesto for? And of course it has to be the classic pesto pasta. Really creative, I know. So here is how I make my pesto pasta. First I pop a little bit of oil in a pan and add in some cherry tomatoes. Cook them until slightly softened. Now you want to add in your pesto. You can use as much or as little as you fancy. As you will see in a second, I have a freezer hack for pesto. I use about 3 to 4 pesto cubes for this recipe, which is obviously about a tablespoon. And now my favourite part, a massive handful of cashews. The texture of these are so good and it's just a really nice addition to your pasta. And lastly, just pop in your cooked pasta. I use about 1 cup of pasta for my lunch. And there you go, it's as easy as that. And then serve up with even more cashews, obviously, and a leaf of basil just because I was feeling a bit fancy and I just wanted to make it look cute for the picture. I honestly never do this really. It's only for photos. Okay, now it's time for your freezer hack. This is super simple. All you do is fill your ice cube tray with the pesto, leaving just a little bit of room at the top of each section for a little bit of oil. Add in your oil and then it's as easy as that. And like I said before, I just add in 3 to 4 cubes into my pasta, so that's for one person for lunch.
Hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who also just loves pesto. Alright, I'm going to stop saying pesto because I feel like I might have said it quite a few times in this video. Thank you, pesto. See you in the next video. Pesto.